Everything in accounting can be boiled down to one simple idea. The stuff that a business owns must always equal the stuff that a business owes. If you understand that, you can understand the accounting equation and the entire balance sheet. Hello there, I'm James, you're watching Accounting Stuff, and in this video I'll attempt to explain assets, liabilities and equity in less than 2 minutes. Start the clock. Assets, liabilities and equity are connected by a formula that we call the accounting equation. It says that assets are always equal to liabilities plus equity. But what does this mean? On the left we have assets. These represent the stuff that a business owns. And on the right we have liabilities and equity. Liabilities are what a business owes to external parties, and equity is what the business owes to its owners. Now, if we take a snapshot of the accounting equation at a specific point in time, we get a report called the balance sheet. It's a summary of a business's assets, liabilities, and equity. Now, let's use the balance sheet to break each of these down one by one. What are assets? Assets are economic resources a business owns or controls. They sit on the left side of the balance sheet, and we can break them down into a few different types. First, we have current assets. These are short-term assets that can be converted into cash or used up within 1 year. This includes things like cash, obviously, accounts receivable, and inventory. Then we have non-current assets. These have a longer useful life. We typically break them down into 2 groups, tangible and intangible. Tangible assets are things you can touch. They have a physical presence and usually depreciate over time due to use, wear, and tear. For example, equipment, buildings, and vehicles. Intangible assets don't have a physical presence. They include patents, licenses, and other intellectual property. Intangible assets with a finite useful life are amortized over time as their value is gradually used up. What are liabilities? Liabilities are debts or obligations that a business owes to external parties, things that require the sacrifice of an economic resource in the future. You can find them on the right side of the balance sheet because they represent what a business owes. Just like assets, liabilities can be split into 2 groups, current and non-current. Current liabilities are short-term obligations that need to be settled within 1 year. This includes a lot of terms with payable in the name, like accounts payable, salaries payable, and taxes payable. On the other hand, non-current liabilities are long-term obligations that aren't expected to be settled within a year. Things like long-term loans. What is equity? Earlier, I said that equity is what a business owes to its owners, but it's a little more nuanced than that. If we go back to the accounting equation and rearrange it, we get equity is equal to assets minus liabilities. In other words, equity is the owner's claim on the net assets of the business. It's what's left over after all liabilities have been settled. You'll find equity on the right-hand side of the balance sheet, just below liabilities. It's mainly made up of 2 things. Capital contributions, which is the money invested into the business by its owners, and retained earnings, accumulated profits that are kept for future use. Together, these make up the owner's stake in the business. Now, let's bring all of this together with an example. Let's say you start a business and invest $20,000 of your own money. The business now has $20,000 in cash, so it owns $20,000 in assets. And it owes $20,000 in equity back to you. It's your claim as the owner. The balance sheet is balanced. Now let's say the business takes out a $10,000 loan. Its assets increase to $30,000 in cash, its liabilities increase to $10,000 in loans payable, and its equity stays the same at $20,000. We are still balanced. Next, you use $5,000 of that cash to buy some equipment. Cash goes down by $5,000, equipment goes up by $5,000, total assets stay the same, and the accounting equation still holds. So no matter what happens, assets are always equal to liabilities plus equity. In other words, everything a business owns is funded either by debt or by its owners. Do you want a quick reference guide for this? I've put together a free accounting equation cheat sheet for you. The link is in the description. And if you want to keep learning, then I'd recommend watching this video next. I'll see you there.